In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify missing template layout theme.liquid. If you're seeing errors about a missing layout or your storefront isn't loading properly, it often means the theme. Liquid file can't be found. This file lives in the layout folder and is the backbone of every page, so let's walk through a clear way to check for it and restore it if it's missing. First, open the Shopify website and sign into your admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store. This brings you to your themes area where you can manage the theme currently powering your store. On your current theme, look for the three dots icon, sometimes labeled as Actions. Click those three dots, then choose Edit Code. This opens the code editor for your theme. Inside the code editor, look at the folders on the left side and click Layout. This is where the theme.liquid file should appear. If you don't see theme.liquid here, that confirms the issue. Sometimes a theme can be incomplete, corrupted, or simply not using a proper layout file, which is why your store might be throwing errors. Here's the quick fix. Go back to your themes page and select another theme from your library and publish it. Publishing a different theme puts a fresh, complete theme in place, which should include a valid theme. Liquid file under Layout. A brief note here. Publishing a theme changes what visitors see on your live storefront. If possible, make the switch during a low traffic time and communicate with your team so there are no surprises. Once that new theme is published, click the three dots on it again and select Edit Code. Head back into the Layout folder. You should now see theme.liquid listed. Opening it should show the expected structure for your layout, which typically includes the document head, body, and references to your sections and content. With theme.liquid back in place, your layout can render normally and most missing template errors should be resolved. If you still don't see theme.liquid after publishing another theme or the issue keeps coming back, reach out to Shopify customer support. They can check for account level limitations, theme compatibility issues, or anything unusual in your store setup that might prevent the file from appearing. That's it. By opening Shopify, going to Online Store, using the three dots to edit code, checking the layout folder, and publishing another theme when theme.liquid is missing, you can quickly restore the layout file your store depends on. If needed, customer support is there to help you finish the job.